Making money online is not as complicated as you think. But most people stay stuck because they overcomplicate everything. Here is the truth. All you need is content, link, income. Think of it like this. You post something that makes someone feel seen or help them. They get curious and click your link. And if what you are offering solves their problem, they buy. That's how content turns into income. Content is like planting seed. Your link is where people go to receive more. And income is the harvest. But nothing grows if you don't plant. It only works if you actually do it. Comment start if you are ready to begin.